Hi friends, welcome to Chichi Kids Learning TV. Let's learn and have fun together. Ooh. A is happy, waving from the left. Bingo dog sits happily on the farm. B is smiling, shining bright and true. Bingo dog wags tail with happy expression. C is cheerful with eyes open wide. Bingo dog jumps playfully on the farm. D is dancing with a happy face. Bingo dog runs happily through farm grass. E is excited, bubbles float around. Bingo dog rolls on green farm grass. F is funny, smiling in the sea. Bingo dog sits with happy eyes on the farm. G is grinning, spinning through the sand. Bingo dog wags tail near farm animals. H is happy, splashing with delight. Bingo dog sniffs flowers on the farm. I is inviting, smiling in the sea. Bingo dog looks curiously at farm animals. J is jumping, doing loops and spins. Bingo dog runs happily through farm flowers. K is kind, twirling in the blue. Bingo dog plays near a farm fence. L is lively, swimming in a swirl. Bingo dog wags tail near a barn. M is moving with a happy face. Bingo dog chases butterflies over farm grass. N is nice, playing with bubbles around. Bingo dog jumps over hay bales on farm. O is open, smiling at the sea. Bingo dog sniffs flowers happily. P is playful, moving here and there. Bingo dog rolls joyfully on green grass. Q is quiet, drifting through the sand. Bingo dog plays near a farm pond. R is radiant, blowing bubbles wide. Bingo dog wags tail with happy expression. S is smiling, swinging tail with glee. Bingo dog sits beside a colorful farm fence. T is twirling, proud and feeling bright. Bingo dog sniffs flowers near barn. U is unique, drifting soft and slow. Bingo dog runs through farm grass. V is vibrant, spinning through the waves. Bingo dog jumps playfully on farm field. W is waving, floating happily near. Bingo dog wags tail near farm animals. X is exciting, twirling through the sand. Bingo dog runs happily over green grass. Y is yawning, smiling in the blue. Bingo dog sniffs farm flowers. Z is zipping, happy as can be. Bingo dog sits happily near a colorful barn. Great job learning today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye-bye!